Welcome to day 8 of our Disney vlogs. Today is our last full day here of this trip, and we are officially done with the big parks, and today is just another low-key day. So we are at Blizzard Beach. It's just before 10 o'clock, and I was just telling Andy I have a lot of anxiety right now because our toddler is just done. She is hitting her max. This week has just been a lot for her. We don't know what things are gonna trigger her, and it's just like, oh gosh, like I hope today goes well. So we have held off on buying tickets to Blizzard Beach. It's so bright, baby, until the very last second, because I just didn't know how she was gonna do this morning, and I didn't want to be locked into tickets. So we are actually, for the first time ever, just gonna buy tickets walking right up to the park. Fingers crossed this morning goes well and that she enjoys being here. These past couple of days have been a little tough with her, so we'll see. Hopefully this is a win. Baby, what did you get? A yellow duck. A very sweet cast member gave you a yellow duck. Are you having fun? No. Yes, you are. You went down that slide about a dozen times. Are you eating a cheese stick?
Mommy.
Yeah.
No.
You're jumping. No. It's been about an hour and a half. Ellie did surprisingly amazing. She loved it. I mean, the little slides, the whole thing was so stinking cute. I'm very impressed. My heart's still beating a little fast because I'm still waiting for like something to go horribly wrong. But we are gonna go grab some lunch and maybe check out another little spot if we have time. It might be pushing it, but we're just gonna keep it really short today. So far this has been great. There's no one here. Like, this is amazing. Do Blizzard Beach in December. This is incredible. There's literally no one here.
You'll be like the first 5 people here.
I mean, there were 10 cars in the parking lot when we got here. There's no one here.
Front row.
Yeah, front row.
VIP service. We didn't even pay extra.
No, you don't have to pay extra for front row. You just get here right when the park opens.
Yeah.
Man, I remember my mom making me pose right here when I was 5 years old. We have so many pictures of me and my sister standing right here. We gonna get cheese pizza?
Yeah!
Yeah? cheese pizza?
I got pizza.
You're getting pizza? Yeah. We are at the Lada Wada Lodge. That's what this is called. And Lada Wada Lodge, that's what it's called.
Can I return my food?
Andy and I both got the chicken and rice bowl. Ellie got a cheese pizza. And again, as you can see, no one is here. This is amazing. Lunch was really great. And it's just after 12:30, but Ellie's doing great. I do want to check out this other area though, because we've only been to the little frozen section. So I kind of just want to walk around here and see what it looks like before we head out, because it feels like we've hardly seen any of the park. And this is just so fun, and it's like bringing me back to my childhood. This is just like a crazy feeling to me. Like, I told Andy, I'm pretty sure these are the chairs that they had in the 90s, and they haven't been changed, which I kind of love it. Like if you grew up here, it just like brings you back. I don't know. So it's really fun. This is where the Santa meet and greet is, Island Santa. I think he's taking a break right now, but Ellie wanted her picture right here still.
It's like at a board meeting with the elves.
Super cute. When we walked by, Santa looked hilarious. He was making people line up right here and pretend to be his reindeer. It was really funny. All right, we're leaving Blizzard Beach now. It's about 1 o'clock, so definitely later than we wanted to stay, but I'm glad we got to kind of walk around and check it out. And this is a really fun park, and I loved that it was not crowded at all. This was amazing. I mean, the perfect way to kind of cap our last full day here. This was a really chill, like, I don't know, it's just a really easygoing kind of morning. So if you are kind of in the middle of this like go Disney week, Blizzard Beach is the perfect little break from that. You can pop in for a couple of hours or come back later in the evening. They aren't open all day. I believe the hours today are 10 to 5. We may come back for, another hour or something before they close, but this was so fun. Ellie loved it. Perfect for toddlers. Everything about this was so fun. Andy and I honestly kind of wish that we could experience it without a toddler as well, because I mean, they have a lot of fun stuff going on here. So now we are gonna head back to Grand Floridian for nap time and take a little bit of a break. We made it back to the Grand Floridian, but I think I'm gonna end it here. So thank you guys so much for coming along with us to our Blizzard Beach morning. I am so thrilled. They are reopened and our toddler loved it. I know I mentioned this morning that it was a little bit of a gamble. You just never know, but she loved it. She did great. So thank you guys so much for coming along. Make sure that you are subscribed if you are not already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.